AI
It only
steals
took
our
this
jobs.
boy
the creative industry.
It's just another trap.
Yeah, go home.
This is the end.
Everything I feared about AI art was wrong. At some point, I realized it was time to stop being depressed by what I saw on social media and actually dive into this topic myself, to face the reality behind all that noise. Because I discovered 3 big reasons why it's not nearly as bad as it sounds. There are catastrophic versions of the future for artists, and optimistic ones too. But the truth, I think, lies somewhere in between. My goal with this video is simple: to help artists who feel scared about what's coming next, and to make you feel a little better about it. So if that's you, keep watching. Because at the end, I'll share 3 skills that I believe will play a huge role in our profession, and you can start learning them today. I've been in the art and design industry for almost 20 years. Senior roles, art direction, pipelines. The last 2 years, besides doing a lot of art, I've explored AI for production workflows, efficiency, quality, legal, and team collaboration. So when I say I've tested this, I mean hundreds of hours, not just spamming 50 Midjourney prompts and calling it research. I did the homework, I broke things, and what I found will probably surprise you. I hate the term AI art. AI isn't making art, it's making images. We make art with it. Think of it like the steam engine or the internet. Technology that changes how we work but doesn't erase why we create. Fear isn't stupidity. Fear is just a signal that something big is happening. And we've been here before. When James Watt helped launch the steam engine revolution, people screamed, "Machines will end our jobs forever." Someone even killed a factory owner over it. So honestly, Twitter is pretty calm compared to history. Fear never predicted the future. Adaptation did. Which brings us to today, where artists are staring at new creative engines and thinking, is my job next? The real question is not, will this replace us? The real question is, what exactly do artists do that machines can't? Faster production doesn't equal better art. Tools can automate huge parts of the boring stuff, but they cannot decide whether those changes make the experience more powerful for the audience. Software judges correctness. Artists judge success. A model can optimize what works today, but only we imagine what will matter tomorrow. Truth number 2. These systems can make beautiful images, but production doesn't need just beautiful images. It needs consistent design across dozens of variations. When gameplay changes or a story shifts, a model doesn't know what must stay the same, unless an artist defines it. It can follow a silhouette or a pose, but it doesn't understand the purpose behind the design. And purpose is what keeps a character's identity intact over hundreds of assets, angles, emotions, and updates. Machines remember your instructions. They just don't remember why they mattered. Truth number 3. Tools understand patterns of emotion, but they don't feel why we care. They cannot decide what deserves to exist before the data exists. Systems predict reactions. Artists create the feelings in the first place. Software doesn't actually care about your design. So if you stop caring, nobody will. So, how do you use this stuff without becoming replaceable? Simple. You stop using it like a shortcut and start using it like a strategy. Here are the 3 skills that make technology your advantage instead of your competition. First, creative intelligence. Use chat models to shape concepts, refine narratives, question choices, even critique your composition. If you can explain why something works, you can recreate it with intention, not randomness. That's what separates professionals from lucky accidents. Second, visual acceleration. Let the tools multiply your hands, you multiply the results. Fast exploration, fast variations, fast improvement. If you can iterate faster, you improve faster, and you deliver faster. Speed is a career advantage. Third, technical mastery. These tools unlock senior level workflows early, solving problems in seconds instead of hours, multi-view consistency, exploration that used to take teams. This isn't skipping learning, it's accelerating it. Technology doesn't eliminate artistic value, it eliminates the delay between imagination and result. And sure, in 10 years, who knows where we'll be? That's exactly why learning this now matters. Tools don't make artists irrelevant. They make the artists who adapt go further than ever before. So let's wrap this up. If there's one thing I want you to take from this video, it's this. Don't fear AI. Instead, understand it. Because here are the 3 key insights. 1. AI isn't your replacement, it's your tool. It can spark ideas, help with mood boards, speed up workflows, but the real art still comes from you. 2. Consistency and control come from the artist, not the prompt. Just like guiding a student, the quality of the result depends on the clarity of your fundamentals and instructions. 3. Studios still need artists. Legal gaps, ownership issues, and the lack of professional grade control mean AI can't stand alone. That's why your skills, your creativity, your taste remain essential. If you're a student dreaming of becoming an artist, or already an artist, feeling pressure from the industry, don't let fear push you off this path. The demand for skilled creators isn't disappearing. In fact, the sooner you start learning how to combine your craft with these new tools, the faster you'll level up. You could reach a senior level much quicker than today's seniors did, because you'll have both fundamentals and AI superpowers. So don't quit, don't hide. Learn, adapt, and use these tools as a leverage. That's how you stay ahead. And that's how you win. Most artists won't adapt. If you don't want to be one of them, stick around. We're staying ahead. Together.